नमस्ते दोस्तों, दिस इज महांतेश, आपका होस्ट, और आज हम जा रहे हेन इंटरनेशनल, लेकिन एक देसी ट्विस्ट के साथ। We're diving deep into the world of agriculture, exploring the top 6 countries जो लाते हैं green in green revolution. Get ready for some tractor talk, crop chronicles, and a whole lot of farming fun. So, buckle up, अपनी चाय उठाओ, and let's get this agricultural adventure started. Hey guys, first up, we have the big guy on the block, China. This country is not just known for its rich history and culture, but also for its incredible agricultural prowess. Zara socho, ek aisa desh jahan people hain, well, almost anywhere else se zyada, and they've all got to eat, right? With a population of over 1.4 billion, feeding everyone is no small feat. Imagine the sheer scale of food production required to keep everyone satisfied. यहीं से शुरू होती है China की massive agricultural industry. From the vast plains to the terraced hillsides, every inch of arable land is utilized to its maximum potential. The dedication and hard work of Chinese farmers are truly commendable. उन rice paddies से जो आंखों तक फैली हैं, उन fields तक जो wheat, corn and soybeans से भरी है. China is like the ultimate farm-to-table buffet. Rice paddies stretch as far as the eye can see, and fields brimming with wheat, corn and soybeans are a common sight. These crops form the backbone of China's food supply. Or 8 minute, they're not just about quantity, they're tech-savvy too. The integration of technology in agriculture has revolutionized the way farming is done in China. From precision farming to automated irrigation systems, technology plays a crucial role in enhancing productivity. Socho, drones buzzing over fields, high-tech greenhouses, and even robots lending a helping hand. Or should I say, robotic arm. These advancements ensure that farming is efficient, sustainable, and capable of meeting the demands of the future. China puri dunya ko dikha raha hai कि when it comes to agriculture, they mean business. Their success in this field is not just about feeding their own population, but also about becoming a major player in the global agricultural market. With exports reaching every corner of the globe, China's agricultural might is truly impressive. From traditional farming methods to cutting-edge technology, China is setting an example for the world to follow. Next up, we're heading to my homeland, India. A land of vibrant colors, rich traditions, and incredible diversity. Barfile Himalayas se lekar sunny southern coasts tak, India's got it all. From the towering peaks of the Himalayas to the sun-kissed beaches of the south, the landscapes are as varied as the cultures. और आप जानते हैं इसका क्या मतलब है? Agricultural diversity like you've never seen before. Fields bursting with a variety of crops, from lush green vegetables to golden grains, showcasing the richness of our soil. We're talking rice, wheat, and a whole lot of spices जो आपके खाने को बनाते हैं. Well, India. Imagine the aroma of freshly harvested spices, the staple grains that form the backbone of our meals, all cultivated with care and dedication. Chote family farms se lekar bade operations tak, agriculture is the backbone of our economy. From small family farms that have been passed down through generations to large-scale operations that feed millions, agriculture is the lifeblood of our nation. लाखों लोगों के लिए खाने का इंतजाम करता है. It ensures that millions have food on their plates, sustaining communities and driving our economy forward. It's not always easy, with unpredictable weather and all. The journey is fraught with challenges, from unpredictable weather patterns to the ever-present threat of droughts and floods. Lekin hamare farmers, they're tough cookies, always finding a way to make it work. Yet, our farmers are resilient, innovative, and determined. They embrace new techniques, adapt to changing conditions, and continue to thrive against all odds. Their spirit is celebrated in our festivals, their stories shared in our communities. They are the unsung heroes, the backbone of our nation, ensuring that the symphony of agriculture continues to play on. As the sun sets over the fields and farmers return home, there's a sense of fulfillment, a job well done. This is the heart of India, beating strong and proud. Now, let's hop across the pond to the land of opportunity, the United States of America. Picture this, विशाल fields जो आंखों तक फैली हैं, giant tractors rolling through, and technology that would make your head spin. That's American agriculture for you. वो large-scale farming के kings and queens हैं. इतना ज़्यादा corn, soybeans and wheat produce करते हैं कि न सिर्फ खुद के लिए, बल्कि दुनिया के एक बड़े हिस्से के लिए काफी है. And hey, they're not afraid to experiment either. Always coming up with new and innovative ways to grow more food more efficiently. Chapter 4. Brazil, the Amazon's agricultural powerhouse. अगला पड़ाव, South America, जहां हमें मिलता है ब्राजील, एक ऐसा देश जो नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज से भरा है और, you guessed it, agricultural might. हरे भरे Amazon rainforest से लेकर विशाल Cerrado savanna तक, Brazil's got the perfect climate for growing all sorts of goodies. We're talking soybeans, coffee, sugarcane, and oranges, जो ब्राजील को global agricultural market में एक major player बनाते हैं. And hold on, they're not just about quantity, they're also big on sustainability, finding ways to protect the environment while keeping those crops coming. Chapter 5. Indonesia, the Emerald Isles agricultural tapestry. चलो उड़ान भरते हैं साउथ ईस्ट एशिया, जहां हमें मिलता है इंडोनेशिया, एक ऐसा देश जो हजारों आइलैंड्स से बना है. हर एक आइलैंड की अपनी एक अलग पहचान है, हर एक की अपनी यूनिक एग्रीकल्चरल स्टोरी है. यहाँ के किसान अपनी मेहनत और परंपराओं से खेती को जीवित रखते हैं. जावा के राइस पैडीज से लेकर सुमात्रा के स्पाइस प्लांटेशंस तक, हर जगह की अपनी एक अलग कहानी है. जावा के हरे भरे खेतों में किसान दिन रात मेहनत करते हैं और सुमात्रा के मसालों की खुशबू दूर दूर तक फैलती है. Indonesia's agricultural landscape is as diverse as its people. यहाँ की खेती की विविधता यहाँ के लोगों की तरह ही रंग बिरंगी है. वो राइस, पाम ऑयल, रबर एंड कॉफी में बड़े हैं और इन फसलों की खेती यहाँ के किसानों के जीवन का एक महत्वपूर्ण हिस्सा है. लेकिन इंडोनेशियन फार्मर्स के लिए जिंदगी आसान नहीं होती. उन्हें कई कठिनाइयों का सामना करना पड़ता है. They face challenges like limited land, unpredictable weather, and market fluctuations, जो उनकी मेहनत को और भी कठिन बना देते हैं. बाहिर बाहर, तुका मापा और बाजार में कीमतों के उतार चढ़ाव से उन्हें हमेशा जूझना पड़ता है. लेकिन वो हमेशा a way to persevere, keeping their agricultural traditions alive. उनकी मेहनत और दृढ़ता उन्हें आगे बढ़ने की प्रेरणा देती है. वो अपनी परंपराओं को जीवित रखते हुए नई तकनीकों को भी अपनाते हैं. कम्युनिटी गैदरिंग्स और नॉलेज शेयरिंग से वो एक दूसरे की मदद करते हैं. यहाँ के त्योहारों में खेती का जश्न मनाया जाता है, जो उनकी संस्कृति का एक महत्वपूर्ण हिस्सा है. इंडोनेशिया की ग्रामीण सुंदरता और यहाँ के लोगों की मेहनत दोनों मिलकर एक अद्भुत एग्रीकल्चरल टैपेस्ट्री बुनते हैं. सूर्योदय के समय खेतों का दृश्य और बच्चों का खेलना इस देश की सादगी और सुंदरता को दर्शाता है. This is the story of Indonesia's agricultural heart, where tradition meets resilience and nature meets human spirit. यह है इंडोनेशिया की कृषि की कहानी, जहां परंपरा और दृढ़ता का मेल होता है और प्रकृति और मानव आत्मा का संगम होता है. Chapter 6. Russia, the bear's agricultural comeback. Last but not least, we're heading north to Russia, एक ऐसा देश जो अपने विशाल landmass और increasingly its agricultural prowess के लिए जाना जाता है. Black Earth region के उपजाऊ fields से लेकर साइबेरिया के विशाल steppes तक, Russia's got the potential to be an agricultural superpower. वो wheat, barley, sunflowers and sugar beets में बड़े high, And after some tough times, Russian agriculture is making a comeback, investing in technology and modernizing farming practices. तो लीजिए दोस्तों, a whirlwind tour of the world's top 6 agricultural giants. चाइना के टेक savvy फार्म से लेकर इंडिया के डाइवर्स क्रॉप्स तक, हमने देखा है कि कैसे ये देश दुनिया का पेट भर रहे हैं। लेकिन याद रखें, behind every grain of rice and every cup of coffee, there's a farmer working hard to make it all happen. तो अगली बार जब आप खाने बैठें, तो एक पल के लिए दुनिया भर के फार्मर्स की कड़ी मेहनत और समर्पण को याद करें। Until next time, stay tuned, stay curious, and keep exploring.